んにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? We are going to continue learning numbers from 1,000 till 9,999. 1,000, we say 1000, as I write here in hiragana. Se, 1000, 1,000. Maybe you imagine 2,000, it means 2 times twice, ni, twice, 1000. So 2000, this is 2000. 3000 is an irregular pronunciation. Instead of we say 3000, we say 3000 with se with ten. 3000. Because after n sound, it's easier to pronounce ze with ten. 3000. And this is kanji of 3000. But anyway, it doesn't matter if you don't know kanji. This one, 3,000, 3000. And 4,000, 4 times 10. So 4000. And here we don't pronounce shisen. We say always with yon. 4000, 4,000. 5,000, 5 times 1,000. So 5000, 5000, 5,000. 6,000, 6000, 6, and then 6000. But our pronunciation is not so 6000, 6000. It's like only K sound, 6000, 6,000. Now 7,000. 7 we can pronounce shichi or nana. Do you remember this? But when we say 4,000, we used instead of shi, 4000. So here we don't use shichi, but nana. We use nana. 7,000. 7,000. 7,000. Now 8,000 is irregular pronunciation. 8 we pronounce hachi, but we don't say hachisen, but we say hassen with two. This one small tsu, ha, jump sound. Hassen. This is number 9. We can pronounce ku or q. But do you imagine which one we say, kusen or kyusen? Well, 9,000 we say kyusen. We don't use ku because we didn't use shi, shichi. So here we also don't use ku, but yon, nana, kyu, kyusen, 9,000. To say the 1,000, we don't say ichisen, but only sen. And all with the numbers, so like 2, 3, 4, sen, nisen. But sanzen, this was the irregular one, sanzen, not sansen, okay? So only this one, sanzen, and yonsen, gosen, roksen, nanasen. And the other irregular one, hassen, with jump sound, hassen, 8,000, and kyusen. Let's practice how to read these numbers. 7, 6, 1, 8. 7,618, we say 7,618. 7,618. 8,051. 8051. In Japanese, 8,051. 8,051. 1,724. 1724. We say 1,724. Be careful, this is not 1,000, but 1,000. 1,724. 3,846. 3846. In Japanese, 3,846. Here, 3,000 with z, with ten sound. 800 with jump sound. 3,846. 2015. 2015. 日本語で2015. 2015. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,234. 日本語で1015. 234 1234 Here we don't say 1000 but only 1000 okay 1234 4321 4321 4321 Here 300 this is not 300 but the pronunciation 300 so 4321 2037 2037 2037 2037 6812 6812 6812 6812 Here 800 with jump sound 800 be careful so 6812 So can you imagine 4 times 9999 9999 it will be 9999 okay 9999 Now let's think 4 times 3 3333 3333 well 3000 this was the irregular one 3000 with 10 and also 300 it was the irregular sound 300 instead of 100 okay so 3333 it is 3333 now 4 times 6 6666 and here 600 it was the this pronunciation 600 instead of 100 this is the jump sound 600 so it's gonna be 6666 now with number 8 8888 8888 well 8000 this was also the other irregular one the pronunciation 8000 with jump sound 8000 and also 800 it was irregular 800 with jump sound and 100 800 so 8888 8888 now a quiz time I'm going to tell you 10 numbers only in Japanese so you can't see anything here and I tell you in Japanese and you must write them and how to say in your language okay 1番目1600 1600 1600 2番目4974 4974 4974 3番目1981 1981 1981 4番目2016 2016 2016 5番目9876 9876 9876 6番目3649 3649 3649 7番目1101 1101 1101。1101。8番目。2397。2397。2397。2397。9番目。8100。8100。8100。10番目。最後です。The last one。最後です。4620。4620。4620。4620. Now you've learned from 1 to 9,999. It's great. And next video is gonna be from 10,000 in Japanese. And it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. So before watching the next video, this is gonna be the next level. Please be sure these numbers till 9,999 very, very well. 9,999, right? If you think this video was useful for you and you liked it, please don't forget to give me a like. And also if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. Please, please, please do it. And if you have any questions, you can write them in the commentary below. いかがでしたか？今日もここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。今日は数字の9999まで勉強しました。すごいですね。次のビデオは1万からです。ちょっと難しくなりますから頑張りましょう。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね。